Hello guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to sew this trendy bubu with Ankara patches on it. So for this tutorial, you are going to be needing different type of Ankara fabric of your choice. You are going to be needing like maybe 9 pieces of it, something like this, which is going to be cut into this cycle. You understand? So this is 8 on ground. This is the 9 one with me. And you are also going to be needing bias to tape the edge of the Ankara. You are also going to be needing stay that you are going to be putting this on so that it will stand firm before attaching it to the dress. So with me, I have 2.5 yard of crepe. The person is not big like that, so I'm using 2.5 yard for it. So now, like this fabric now, you are going to fold it into two and also fold it back into four. So from this edge, you are going to be cutting, you are going to be measuring 2.5 from here. You measure 2.5 from here. You measure 2.5 round this way to achieve this. So from here to you measure 2.5. And then you measure 2.5. So you just cut it out. So this is my 2.5 inches. So let's keep this aside and go to the main tutorial. So the measurements we are going to be using for this gown, is a free bubu gown. It determines how big the person is. The back is 7.5. For example, you can just take the back. So for the back, you can just take your back measurement. It's not needed though, but I'm just using it for explanation. This is my back measurement. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So I'm going to just take the sleeve length. For here, this is 14 inches for the sleeve length. So for the neck, that 2.5 that 2.5 fabric, I cut it into two. I now folded it into four. The first one is folded into two, the second one is folded into two. This is the front, while this is the back. So I'm going to be using 3 inches by wideness for the neck wideness, and for the back deepness I'm using 2 inches. I'm just going to and curve at the neck. So I will come down by 7.5 because it's a V neck. I'm just going to connect it from here. Yes, like so from here, I will come down by 1 inches. From here, I will come down by 1 inches shoulder slope. So I'm going to connect it to the neck. From here, you connect it to the neck. That shoulder slope. So from there, you are going to come down by 12 inches for the sleeve opening. You are going to come down by 12 inches. So from here, you just connect it. So for this place, I just will come down here. Like I said earlier, it's a bubu dress. No need for you to take the hip measurement or anything. So to this place, I'm going to measure 17 inches at the down part. So from that 17 inches, I will just slant it up from here. You can just come in from this sleeve, from the sleeve opening. This place, you just come in by 2 inches. So from there, you just connect it to this line and give it your armhole curve. So we are done. So I'm going to cut it out. First of all, you come here, cut out the neck, back neck together with the front. And you're just going to cut out front neck, which is V neck shape. From here, you're going to cut out the shoulder slope that you took earlier. So from this place, So now we are done cutting the body and the neck. So what you are going to be doing, you will join the shoulder together. If you like, you can use interface, you can cut interface for it, or you use your bias for the neck. So after joining it, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to place those Ankara fabric that you cut out. So what you are going to be doing, you just take your bias. After putting your stay on the Ankara, just take your bias, just sew it round gently, not be sewing it round. You get to the other edge. When after getting to the other edge, you now cut it off. So I'm through with all my materials. So now this is the body of my dress. I've used cloth to do the interface, the materials. I don't want to use bias, I don't want it to be rough, so I use the materials for the interface. So what I'm going to do is be placing the Ankara on it this way. Just make sure you are not laying it on the other one much like that. And just allow the African print, the print to be showing this way. The last part I do like this. That means that you want to be laying it. You can see this. Don't allow another one to cover it, like just close it. So you now take it to your machine. You can use pin to hold it down. Just so the first of all sew the first step before the second step. So after attaching the Ankara, this is the way it is. So I've gone to my machine and sew this sleeve. This is the sleeve I've done it in. I'm going to be putting this pocket on it. What I will do, I will just measure from the shoulder to waist, which is shoulder to 16, but I'm using 18 so that the pocket will come down a little bit from the waist. 16. So I will just give it space of 7 and sew the other down part. So after sewing it, I will just bend this down part. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.